I'm Kristen Hall with Energize Nutrition, and I'm here to offer you some personal training in the kitchen, helping you to strengthen your culinary muscles. Mornings are rushed, and many of us skip breakfast, leading to poor energy, brain drain, and overeating later in the day. Time is one of the biggest barriers for breakfast eating. So I'm going to show you how to make 5 breakfast bento boxes for your on-the-go lifestyle. Include a source of protein, energizing carbohydrate, and fiber. Good fuel at breakfast will sustain your body and your mind for a productive day ahead. Investing a few minutes ahead will allow you to bulk prep your breakfast bento and may even buy you 5 extra minutes of sleep. I'm Kristen Hall with Energize Nutrition, and remember, you can become a healthier version of yourself. Just take it one bite at a time. Bye for now. Did you like what you saw? I'm happy to share the recipe and shopping lists with you. Click the link below.